Hey everybody, I know I'm finally back. I know it's been a while. I wanted to apologize, but my birthday was Monday, so I was celebrating most of the week and over the weekend, so that's why I never really had a chance to make any new videos. But I just wanted to thank you all for sticking around, making sure my videos are all nice and organized and whatever, and I'm glad you all are still watching, so thank you. And I'm just going to let the car rotate because this is a car of the day video, so I won't talk that long, but I just wanted to clarify why I haven't made a video in over a week. So thank you for understanding and thank you for your patience. And there will be more videos coming out in the future. So thanks and enjoy the 37 Ford as the car of the day.